Hello! Today I am making a raw soup. It's from greenthickies.com and I've not tried this soup before, so it's going to be interesting to see how it turns out. It's a no-cook raw carrot and sweet potato soup. So let's have a look at it. There's already in the Optimum blender 2 cups of cold water. In here I have 2 cups of chopped sweet potato and 1 medium carrot. Then we add 1 avocado and 3 dates. We also have half a teaspoon of salt, a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Put that all in. Now of course you can blend this soup just for a couple of minutes until it's warm but not cooked. Or you can let the blender go longer for 4, 5, up to probably 8 minutes. So let's have a look at this. Okay, now that we're going into winter, I'm looking forward to having some more soups. Okay, so we'll turn the blender to on, start it on 0 and then move the dial up to 10. Alrighty, okay, so I let that blend for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes. So what we're going to do is pour some out into some bowls, and then we've got a handful of spinach to put into the last half of the soup so we can make nice green swirly patterns on top of the soup. I tasted this while it was blending, and the recipe calls for half a teaspoon of salt, but I would probably put in a whole teaspoon. Okay, so we'll pour this out and then I'll put in the spinach and we'll have a look at the final product. It tastes fantastic, by the way. Okay, so here we have handful, oh, losing some of it as I go. Handful of spinach. Give it one final whiz and then it is done. There we go. Alright. Okay, so I'll pour this out, bring you over to the bowls so you can have a look at what we're seeing here. Okay, this looks lovely. This will appeal to my kids wanting to swirl the green through. So this makes probably, I would say, it says 2 serves in the recipe, but I would say it would be more like 3 to 4 generous sized serves. So have a look, I'll show you the consistency. It's beautifully blended. Oh, the kids are going to love that. Hang on, I'm going to have a taste. It's really creamy. It's sweet. I do think it needs the full teaspoon of salt, but that's just my taste buds. You might choose to have the half teaspoon. And it's delicious. A raw soup made in the Optimum 9900. That was so quick and easy, and now it's going to be even easier to clean the blender. Just put some dishwashing liquid and warm water in it about halfway up, give it a whiz, it cleans itself. Got to love that. Alright, so that recipe is from, as I said, greenthickies.com. Go check it out. But yeah, that one's a winner. I'm going to make a second batch of that for my family of 7 tonight, And that's it, dinner's done and dusted.